What's happening, Verbally Vicious Nation? If you're wondering how Canadians spend their Wednesday mornings, we spend our Wednesday mornings tomato souping our fucking dogs. This is my brindle lab, Jasmine. Well, she's half lab, half retarded. And this is Oscar, my half-breed beagle. He's half beagle, half stupid. My little motherfuckers escaped last night and got sprayed by a skunk. This silly prick here, he only got it a little, whereas her, because she's aggressive and stupid, she got fucking hammered. So as you can plainly see, we're keeping Heinz tomato juice in fucking business today, boys. Invest in Heinz fucking tomato juice.
Don't lick it.
But listen, you guys have to lay her ass down too, eh? And reuse. Hello. Anyway, it's Wednesday.